If I haven't said it yet, Happy New Year to everybody. 2025. I do hope, I pray that this is a fantastic year for you. First snow of 2025, man. We got about 5 inches. It's still coming down. I really am so excited for this year. Like, there's so many things that I want to do with this YouTube channel. There's so many things I want to do with the rest of my career. There's just so much in store for people that have the mindset to want to do better and want more for themselves. And shout out to you if you're one of those people that really want to thrive and be like who you really are this year. If this is the year for you, listen, man. So you get a fresh 12 months. I tell everybody you get a fresh 24 every day. So something that happened that you didn't really like that one day, bro, you had the next day to turn it around. Like, it's that easy. I'll say one thing about snow. It's so quiet. It's so peaceful. Like, nah, I'm just playing. But seriously though, bro, like, it's so peaceful, so quiet out here. Like, hey, man, it's funny because it's really not cold out here for real. Man, I think I'm about to make a snow angel. Look, man, we're going crazy with the snowballs right now, man. Yeah. You ain't have to move. All right, last one, last one. I'm nice, bro. I'm nice. I'm nice. You're not gonna catch with one hand. I'm gonna try one hand catch.